Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to change the Aquaflo filter on this bottom load water dispenser. Keep it plugged in, but shut off the hot water. Next, we're going to open this up and take out your water bottle. What we're going to do is we're going to take this out, okay? Once you take this out, the new cartridge is going to come with something like this. This is not the right one because I didn't buy the cartridge first. But when you open this up, you want to plug it in so all the water doesn't come out. So since I don't have a plug, the right plug, if this one doesn't fit, I'm just going to put something to catch the water. This is for illustration purposes only. So once you take this out, I'm just going to put it here. Let all the water go in there. Next, we're gonna take this off, but before we do that, let's put something to catch the water when it comes out. Over here, this thing, you're gonna push it and lift up on the top, and this comes out. All right, this is your filter right here. You're gonna start by pushing on this tab right here. Push it that way, and then lifting up on this little arm, and then these little tabs, you're gonna twist them, and now you're able to pull this whole thing up, okay? So pull up on it. This one's full of water, so pull up on the hose, and once you get your new cartridge, you're gonna feed the hose the same way it came out. And then this is gonna come down the same way. I'm gonna push it down until you're able to twist these guys on top. There you go, like that. And then this arm is gonna go over. Just press it down until it clicks. All right, now you can take your hose, attach it, and push this back in place. You heard that noise before. Let's just prime it. Put the cover back on. Okay. And now this light got set, reset, okay? And that's it. Make sure it works. And that's it. I'm not buying a filter. I just find it stupid to spend $30 on a filter for bottled water. Okay, when you buy bottled water, you don't run it through a filter first. So I don't know, it just seems like a waste of money. But anyway, that's how you replace the filter if you want to do it. And that's how you reset the light, okay? Just take it out, put it back in, and then that's it. I hope this video helped you out. Like and subscribe. Talk to you guys later. Take care.